Is it really that surprising you're struggling to find a good trading platform? Well, not really. If you clicked on this video, it is likely that you have some dreams of making money and maybe some money actually saved up to start trading. But all these damn gurus and coaches and different brokers, where do you even begin? Listen, you can absolutely make trading something fun and successful, but first you need some help navigating all the bad deals that want to pull you in. Trust me, you are in the right place. Finance Illustrated is all about transparency and truth. WeBull contacted us with a proposal. If you sign up with them through the link they provided, they will give you some free stocks to start with, we will get some bonuses from them, and everyone wins, right? Well, let me ask you, does this sound fishy to you? Well, of course it does. We can just tell you the good stuff and forget about it. Before we give you the green light, WeBull needs to collect some green flags. So let's dissect this platform piece by piece. What really is WeBull? It started out as a mobile research platform, a place where you can consolidate multiple portfolios into one, so you could have all your trading info in your pocket in one app. They say it's like Yahoo Finance on steroids. Well, this concept proved successful, and soon enough the app had 6 million downloads. Sometime later, about 2 years ago, they decided, hey, we have 6 million users. Why don't we combine the research aspect that we're really good at with actually handling trades? And so they did. In May 2018, they launched their US-based brokerage with the aim of creating a new trading era. Those are some big words if you ask me. But what do they mean? Is it VR trading? Is it trading with your mind? Actually, it's nothing new, but it sounds cool when you hear it. What they mean by that is free US stock and ETF trading with all the technical features and stock screening you normally have to pay for, available for free. The message is clear. You don't need a 50,000 minimum deposit or 5 years of experience or anything like that. The premium features are available to the everyday trader who just finished his 9 to 5, came home, cracked open a cold one and wanted to check up how the market is doing and maybe make some side money. It's you guys I'm talking about. But if you guys happen to be from anywhere but the USA or weirdly China, there is no luck for you. Only US and Chinese citizens or visa holders can open an account. And unfortunately, this will be the first red flag for WeBull. But the good news is they are working on getting licenses in Canada and Europe. And the company is quite new, so we can give them a little break. But for now, the red flag stays, so they have something to work towards. If you're wondering why China, maybe because WeBull's founders also helped with the launch of Chinese retail giant Alibaba, but who knows. The process of opening accounts is fast and easy, and you have 3 different choices here. A cash account with no minimum deposit, but also missing some features, a margin account with short selling and limited day trading, and the same with unlimited day trading. A paper trading option is integrated in the platform, and that serves as the demo account. Very straightforward. Register, provide some data about you, and if all is good, you can start trading. Next, let's unpack the fees. It says no fees, but we all know these brokers and platforms. Somehow, a few cents here or there always get shaved off for portfolios. If you're one of those people that don't read the terms and services and just clicks OK, pay attention now. Stock and ETF trading fees are 0, and there are no inactivity fees, but holding leverage positions for over a day have quite high fees, and the rate changes according to your account balance. If it is under 25,000, the fee is 6.99%. If it's over 3 million, the fee is 3.99%. Doesn't seem like much on paper, but trust me, this will bite your wallet over time. There are no deposit or withdrawal fees if using an ACH bank transfer, but there are fees for wire transfers. Credit cards and debit cards are not available, and the only base currency for your account is the US dollar. Overall, it is a green flag for the fees. To be fair with you guys, since we're not US citizens, we could not actually test the deposit and withdrawal speeds. But some good friends from overseas told us that the withdrawals take no more than a couple of days, and they've encountered no problems so far. No flags will be given here since we could not actually test it for ourselves. As far as the platforms themselves go, man, I just don't understand who designs these things. They keep getting better and better. I'm tired of saying this is the best one I've seen, but it really feels like that. All 3 of them, the web, the desktop, the mobile version, have the same style and feel, and I just love the features of the desktop version. It has all these boxes that you can reshape and resize and move around, really lets you tailor the workspace to your preferences. For beginners, it may be a little bit too much data, but nonetheless you can customize the widgets as you please. I really can't do it justice just by talking about it. I can only recommend you try with the paper trading account, and you will see for yourselves that this truly is a next level approach for a platform. When testing the mobile app, the best use for it I found was actually the analysis part of trading, personalizing my own watch list and using the chart to follow how the assets that I'm interested in perform. I can say without a doubt that the analysis that you can do on this app is off the charts, no pun intended. Tons of technical tools, insights and market analysis. Perhaps, again, maybe a little bit too much data if you're just starting out or just thinking about trading, but overall a really, really great experience. For more active traders, obviously the desktop is your choice, but if you're on the go, mobile will do just fine. Overall, when you think about the platforms, the tools, the design, and the overall experience, all of it being for free instead of a hefty monthly payment, WeBull gets 2 green flags in this department. You know how people said back in 2007, once you try the iPhone, you won't ever go back? For me, well, I sort of feel the same way about the mobile app. These features are available worldwide, so no worries there. Just download it and get going. I, for one, will be using the WeBull's market analysis app on my phone. Next up, what can you actually trade on WeBull? Unfortunately, WeBull has a really limited product portfolio. No Forex, no bonds, no options, no cryptos, etc. Not really a surprise since most of the US brokers have quite a limited number of assets, but if they truly want to go for the new era of trading, they should actually go to places where most brokers won't go. What they do have are 3 stock markets to choose from: NYSE, Nasdaq, and Amex. 4 ETFs, 2,300 choices here, the same as Robinhood. In total, there are more than 5,000 ETFs and stocks to choose from. I mean, it's okay, but if they want to become the best US broker, which they are certainly aiming for, more trading instruments need to be added. A red flag for now. When it comes to the most important aspect of trading, the security of our money, we are honestly impressed. Doesn't matter how good the platform is, you need someone to vouch for you if you want traders to use it. WeBull has their bases covered. They're regulated by USA's FINRA, a very legitimate entity, but even better, the Securities and Exchanges Commission, which is an entity of the United States federal government, is also overseeing WeBull's activities. And the SEC is the ultimate regulator who makes the decisions, sitting a step above FINRA. All investors are protected by SIPC Investor Protection Scheme, which means assets up to $500,000, of which $250,000 can be in cash, are protected. But do note that not all investments are protected by the SIPC. It varies, and you can look up what is protected and what isn't at sipc.org to get the latest data. The mobile app also has a 2-step login, which is missing from the desktop version, but the mobile version adds a plus for the security standpoint. One downside though, there is no negative balance protection at WeBull. For example, if your trade is unsuccessful, you can lose your account's funds, but the loss can't exceed them, meaning you won't ever owe money to the broker. This is what's called negative balance protection, and this is what WeBull lacks. You just have to be careful and keep that in mind when opening leverage trades. But the overall for security is a green flag, no questions asked. As far as educating and communicating with customers, there is room for improvement. WeBull provides some help with the basics in the FAQ section, and there are a couple of videos on YouTube on how to use the mobile platform. Other than that, you're pretty much on your own. Again, I recommend to use the paper trading feature to get accustomed to the system and see whether or not you like it. But if you're a total beginner who just wants to know more than just tips on using the platform, maybe you should look somewhere else. The website states that the customer service is available 24/7, but when we called the number on their website, it went to the automated reply saying that we should call at a different time. Also, there is no live chat. Instead, you can do it the old-fashioned email style. The last green flag WeBull gets is for their IRA. For those not aware, IRAs are United States retirement accounts. Basically, IRA is a personal savings account that you yourself can contribute to every year so that you can sit on a nice bag of money when you decide to retire. These savings can grow either tax-free or tax-deferred, meaning you can pay them sometime in the future. The cool thing is you can trade with these savings, and even cooler, WeBull offers IRA accounts for traders. And they also give you a bonus depending on how much you deposit. A very nice addition indeed. Not many brokers offer something like this, so a green flag it is. Overall, we can recommend WeBull to traders. The experience is seamless, the mobile app, you already know, amazing, and the majority of fees are low. Beginners may have a hard time to get accustomed to things, but this should not be a reason for not choosing a broker. You can absolutely learn anything if you put your heart and mind to it, and with WeBull, your learning and trading is guaranteed to be safe. To sum it up, a good choice, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe. We love making these videos for you, and with that said, best of luck traders, stay safe, Finance Illustrated, we are out.